Ebikwatwa ebihireho abantu abari kutimbatini harimu za helmeti, masiki, za kahuba, enyonde, ebitiiho, first aid box hamwe n'ebindi bingi okuruga omu kitongore kya Tika kuruga omu ihanga rya Take kurabira mu gavumenti ya Uganda
kugira ngo tukanywana mu kunywana kwitu twatunga ki abanywani barabuka Take. Ekitongore nikyekyo Tika, Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency. Twabanywana mu kubanywana twabagambira ebizibu bitwine bagira ngo bineho enshaho baraza kutunosheraho bagire ebibakora ebibaletera abarundi bitu
banyakwayo obuhwezo obu abari kuruga omu Take nibagira ngu obuhwezo obu bugendere kuhera abantu abari kutimbatini omu mirimo yabo.
Very importantly, all these projects which we are doing throughout the year are being done by the taxpayers of Turkish people.
kandi ya projects z'abakora n'ingene yakora mubona yesashobwa abahwe b'umusoro abihanga rya Take.
Since 2024, when I have posted to Uganda, since 2024 until now, we have implemented more than 45 projects throughout the whole, between the West Nile, in Isingiro area, in Soroti.
Abatimba bari kurenga 3 nibo baganyirwa muri eki.
Through this collaboration, hundreds of our members are able to earn a livelihood and support their families. The occasion currently has, our association currently has membership of 303 registered members.
Abatimbi batina abantu bajangu batwire nibateganisa ubwo butagira bikwatwa ebi.
Ubu njo bakushara kwa bine no butagira byo kukozesa munonga na munonga byo kujwara byo kutimbisa. Umuntu tugezo kubahereza yitwe nka company konka mono usanga batabikosaje. So twashimirwa n'ikitongore cya Tika cy'ijana muri Isingiro kandi tugezo bwama nabo ko sakwirukanira.
Twine tubentimba turukutimba tine girafu nangwa na butsi mwene hati yona semerwa munonga kuretika yisa yakwatiraho yatoretaho butsi yatoretaho girafu nje patindo na nebide bikwate byatoretaho ndero heyo.
Abebembezi ba district ya Isingiro basimira abahibo buhweza ba abo kurugayo kwaturaho abantu becyangeki.
This is going to help in the sustainability of the project, because I know some of them have quitted this job because of the bad conditions and the challenges within doing this job. But now that you have provided these personal protective equipment, there is going to be sustainability of this work.
I'm telling him that this support, when this one gets old, we are expecting him to have made enough money to buy his own. We are not giving you another one. We expect you that in 2 years, when this one is getting old, you have made enough money to buy your own. But this is the standard.
Abatimba batini kuruga muri Kikagate Town Council, Kikagate Sub County hamwe ne Mugombora ya Ruborogota zone ziri kushangwa muri Isingiro District no batungira obuhwezo obu. Gasha kwa Gerard Ahimbisiwe.